Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been like 4 years since I filmed my last video. No, 5 years. 5 years, yeah. No. 4 years. No. 3 years. 3 years. Since I filmed my last video, where I haven't posted. Maybe like 2 years ago? But I've been doing things. Okay, this is gonna be a really quick little skit of coming back to YouTube. My lighting's horrible here. It'd be better if I turn the light off. No, not at all. In any possible way, no. So I'm gonna be doing skits on Saturdays every day. This is not my normal setup. But we're going to do it on my door, usually, actually. I'm working on a new setup right now, actually. So, we're going to be starting something there. I think red paint on my door. I like red. I think it's for my dog. Because his tooth was bleeding really bad. And he was scratching with him. But that's okay. Let me get that from him like a week ago. We had Christmas yesterday, so Merry Christmas everyone. I hope you are enjoying this video. But yeah, so I'm going to come back to YouTube now. 3 years ago, I was 6 years old now. I think I'm now at 6, and I am 9 years old, and I having a off. Whenever I look at my singing videos, you guys are subscribers at Burger King, so if you remember me, thank you. And also remember whenever I have to break an arm, and what else? And I just kind of, that was so funny. Me and my siblings laugh about it all the time, and yeah, in my closet. I have to guess, but this is 35 years specifically. So that's all for today, but I also got some things for Christmas, so in the next video, tomorrow, we're going to have a skit tomorrow too, so, on Wednesdays, Sundays, and Saturdays, I'm going to be posting videos. I'm just going to be doing skits and no editing and stuff like that. I don't really like editing, but I'm going to do something. Yeah, so if y'all want to, also, my room's dirty, I'm not going to figure it out. That's why I didn't do it in there, but, thank you for everyone helping me come out to YouTube. Thanks for subscribing, even though I have only had 5 subscribers so far. Because, but I got 100 listeners, and we're just going go with it. I have to figure out how to film again, because I usually post the videos. I'm happy. I'm back on YouTube. I'm so happy. I've been making videos and videos and videos. And I just pretended that I uploaded them to YouTube, but I really don't. Upload them to YouTube, so thank you for having a good time, and hopefully you like these videos. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.